How to block people from seeing your WhatsApp status on Android. Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to block specific people from seeing your WhatsApp status on Android. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. Once inside, tap on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now, in the Settings menu, tap on Privacy. This is where you can manage who sees your status updates, profile picture, and more. Under Privacy, tap on Status. Here, you'll find three options. My Contacts, your status will be visible to everyone in your contacts. My Contacts Accept, this allows you to block specific people from seeing your status. Only Share With, this lets you share your status with selected people only. To block someone, tap on My Contacts Accept. You'll see a list of your contacts. Simply tap on the names of the people you want to block, and a checkmark will appear next to their names. Once you've selected everyone you want to block, tap the green checkmark or Done at the bottom of the screen. Your status privacy settings have now been updated. The people you selected won't be able to see any of your future status updates unless you change the settings again. Here's a quick tip. If you only want to share your status with a select few people, you can choose the Only Share With option and pick the contacts you want to share it with. This way, you can fully customize who sees your updates. And that's it. Now you know how to block specific people from viewing your WhatsApp status on Android. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.